Hi guys, welcome back to part 3. So last time we just did some user input and variable names. So in this tutorial it's just gonna be creating a new file. So what we're gonna be doing is like the user will be telling us what file we should create, and then let's just start out with that. So the user should enter the name of the file, and then it'll create the name of the file that the user inputted. So it's gonna say name of file to create. So I'm gonna read say file creation. So we're gonna say mdk make dir root desktop file creation. So we're gonna say make dir in the root desktop and then the file creation, and then we're gonna say echo file has been created. Now what we want to let me add some space here. So we're gonna do ls grep root desktop grep and then the file create. I don't even know if this will work. So what we're doing here, let me just keep this spacing. So many fucking cars. So we're gonna say echo name of file to create. We're gonna save that thing that the user typed in file creation. Then we're gonna say make dir in the root desktop and then the file creation, and then we're just gonna echo out file has been created, and then we're gonna just ls that file name. So we're gonna save that, and then I hope it works. Let's clear this screen, and then we're gonna run it. So name of file to create, new file, I don't know, I mean folder. So right here. Actually, what I want to do, I want to remove this. Root desktop. I want to remove this. So the file has been created. I want to remove this, all this. Let me see. So looks like the file has been created. So if I do grep new file, there you go. So if we cd into the new file, so basically it did create the new file. So there you go, we're in the new file. So now when we're in the new I wanted to go in the new file, cd file creation, and then I want the users to echo some text, write some text to go in file. Okay, so echo spacing read some text. So I'm gonna echo some text in file.text. Actually I want the user to give me a name of the file. I want the user to create the file. So write some text to go in file. Actually, what I first want to do, let me do this. I'm gonna say echo name of file to create. Here I want to say folder, name of folder. So name of folder to create. So there you go, it's gonna create it. Echo file has been created. Folder, I want to say folder has been created. It's gonna go into that folder. So echo name of file to create. So I'm gonna say read file name. So what should I do? What should I do? We could say touch and then file name to create the file, spacing, and then it will say write some text to go in the file, some text, and then it's gonna echo some text into the file name. I hope I'm doing this right. So spacing, let me see. So echo name of file to create, folder to create, make dir creation, folder has been created, echo what cd into the file creation, echo name of file to create, so file name, what, write some text to file, what, read some, so echo read some into okay, so there you go, echo finished. Save that. Let's see if that runs. Let's clear this. Let's go back to file. Let me just remove this new file directory. To remove a directory is rm tech r and then the file name. So I'm waiting for it to remove. There you go, it has been removed. Clear this. I want to run this. Hello world .shell. So name of folder to create, new file, new folder. Let me just say new folder. Okay, file already exists. Okay, so file has been created. Say new folder. Say name of file to create, new file, enter. So write some text to go into the file. So this is some text to go into the new file that is being created. Finished. Let's see that. ls grep. So it says the new file, new folder already existed. So there it is. So we go cd into the new folder. There's a new file that we created right here, called it new file, and then if we cat that new file, and then it will show this is some text to go into the new file that has been created. So yeah, there you go. This was now a long video. So yeah, that's to do it. So here we created so we told the user to create a folder, and then told the user to create a file, and then added some text into the file, and then it automatically said no, the new folder already exists, and then it didn't create, and it just skipped that line, and then it told us to name of file to create, then we created a new file, and then write some text to go in the file, and then it finished. That was really awesome. I really liked this. It was really a journey. This is the first time I'm actually doing this. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys learned something in this video. I hope you liked it, because you guys have to click the like button and subscribe to more videos like this. So thank you for watching this video, and I'm out.